Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Now, I know I said I'll be focusing on our next game, Asante God. I said we should be focusing on our next game after the Idwana disappointment, but we have to talk about this issue because it might affect us greatly. The JFA are threatening to ban Asante Kotoko, like to stop them from registering players in the next transfer window. The transfer window opens on the 16th, I think 16th or 18th of next month, and Kotoko won't be able to register players. Why? It's because four players that play for Kotoko, namely Kelvin Ando, Ivan Sowusu, Abbas Mohammed, and Stephen Ayuku Tete, they reported Kotoko to Player Status Committee, saying that Kotoko terminated their contract unfairly and Kotoko are still owing them some money, the signing on fee and all that. They submitted their petition to the Player Status Committee and they have looked at the situation and have given Asante Kotoko 14 days to pay about 207,800 Ghana cedis. And if Kotoko don't pay this money, they don't pay this money within this 2 weeks period, they will be pushed to the disciplinary committee, which might lead to deduction of points, and that would be very, very, very catastrophic for the club and for the fans. Now, I have a lot of things to say about this situation, but I don't like talking about outside the pitch stuff that concerns Kotoko. You see, I try my best to stay away from outside the pitch controversy or talks that surrounds Kotoko outside the pitch. I try to put my focus on things that happen on the pitch and things that concerns match day and matches and football matches and competition. I don't talk about things that concerns that has to do with the outside engagements or outside business that isn't related to the field. I don't talk about it here on this channel because there are a lot of versions about it. We have in Ghana, the journalists we have in Ghana, most of them they are not genuine, like they are not truthful. They are not truthful and they always have agenda. If they don't like you, they will make it their sole aim to make sure that they bring you down. I'm sorry to say this, but it's true. I have to speak facts. So that's why I talk about things that are only on the pitch. Outside the pitch, I don't talk much about them. That's why if you check out this channel, you see that I don't talk much about outside pitch involvement. It's a very, 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 very terrible, sad event because I feel that the past management could have done better. Because if you look at this clause, if you look at the clauses and the amounts involved in this contract, like you begin to imagine what prompted these people to offer these amounts to a player that is not well proven. If you see the amounts Kotoko are owing Ayuku Tete is very, very outrageous. Ivan Sowusu, Kelvin Ando, the amount of money we are owing them is just outrageous. Like, it's all down to the former management and how things are being run and how contracts are being signed. It's something that we should try our best to stop so that events like this shouldn't be happening in the future. And I'm glad that Kotoko have stopped paying signing on fees and they've decided to spread it to your salary to make sure that you earn monthly. Like, instead of paying you 20,000 Ghana cedis, for example, where you sign, they just spread it in your salary to make sure they don't have any financial complications later in the future. And that is one of the things I'm very, very happy that Nana Yamposa have introduced in the club, because it will save a lot of money and a lot of resources. So if Kotoko don't pay this amount, 207,800 Ghana cedis, in the next 14 days Kotoko will be reported to the disciplinary committee and they might deduct our points. But I'm hearing that Kotoko are very, very ready to contest this ruling and they are going to do with all the power they have. I don't know, me, I just want to focus on our next game against Asante Gold, and that is where my main focus is. But I have to talk about this since this channel is to bring news to you guys. So I would like to know your thoughts on this situation. Tell me in the comment section and tell me what you think about the situation and how Kotoko should handle the overall situation. I would like to know your thoughts, so put that in the comment section and tell me what you think. That's all for today. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.